Nkulunkulu olungileyo siyakubonga
You've promised not to abandon us.
nangaphandle kwenkathazo
We can
zethu.
reason together with you.
Siyabonga ukuthi awuzange washiya nokuthi siyakhona ukucabanga nawe.
We can reason even when we're with you or when we're not with you.
Nokuthi siyakhona ukucabanga uma sinawe noma singekho nawe.
In Jesus' name.
Egameni likaJesu.
Amen.
Amen.
There are various covenants that are mentioned in scripture.
Kunezivumelwano ezihlukahlukene ezibaluliwe embhalweni.
Noah,
Kunesika Noah,
I think that's Genesis 9.
ngicabanga ukuthi uGenesis 9 loyo.
Abraham,
Bo Abraham,
I think that's Genesis 15.
ngicabanga ukuthi uGenesis 15 loyo.
We've mentioned both of those. One I haven't mentioned is David.
Siye sayibalula lezi ezimbili. Esinye bese ngakasibalule sika Davide.
But 2 Samuel
uSamuel wesibili.
and then there's Sinai
Bese kuba
and
iSinai.
then there's covenant.
Bese kuba
So
Aaron.
these covenants,
Sibukeke zonke lezivumelwano
and what you need to do
esidinga ukuthi sikwenze
is try and come up with a comprehensive perspective of how they relate to one another.
ukuthi siqhamuke nohlelo noma nendlela enamandla
Different denominations,
zixubana
different
kanjani.
Christians view these things quite differently.
Amabandla ahlukahlukene ayibuka lezi vumelwano ngendlela ehlukile.
Adventists have their
Ama-Adventist
own unique view.
anendlela yawo ehlukile.
And essentially what the Adventist position is
Kalula nje ama-Adventist akholela ekutheni
is that they're all the same thing.
akholela ukuthi nje
They're just
konke lokhu kuyafana.
variations on a theme.
Ziyafana lezivumelwano kunomehluko
And each
nje
one has a slightly different context
lapha nalapha. Ezinye iyiphi
depending upon the situation that you're in.
kuya ngengqikithi ethile kuya ngesimo.
So the first one, as an example, everyone has been killed by the flood,
kulesi sokuqala nje wonke umuntu masingenza
and
umsebenzi
now
ubulawe uzamcolo.
after the flood,
Manje ke emva kwazamcolo
everyone's scared
wonke umuntu
of
uyesaba
God.
usaba
And
uNkulunkulu.
you know what's about to happen soon?
Siyakwazi okuzokwenzeka maduze.
The Tower of Babel.
Kuzoba umbhoshongo waseBhabhiloni.
There are two stories there.
Kune
We'll take the
amabili lapha.
story
Mabala amabili.
that humans are afraid of dying a second time.
Sokuqala ukuthi abantu bayasaba ukuthi bazophinde
So
bafe.
this is an ark that they will now build
Iyona
to
akha
protect
bazoya
themselves.
umkhumba bazowakha ke lo manje ukuze
Before all of that happens,
ngaphambi kokuthi konke lokwenzeke
God makes a covenant with all human beings.
uNkulunkulu wenza isivumelwano nabo bonke abantu.
Is it a covenant or a testament that God makes at Noah?
Ingabe icovenant noma itestament lesi
It's a
asenza
testament.
itestament.
If you're well behaved or badly behaved,
Uma niphethe kahle noma ningayiphathanga kahle
it doesn't make any difference.
akwenzi mahluko.
It's a testament because it's one party making all the decisions.
Itestament ngoba uhlangothi olulodwa lenza zonke inqumo.
It covers every human.
Lokho kuphathelene nabantu bonke.
There are no conditions.
Ayikho imbandela.
There's a promise or a sign.
Kunesithembiso noma uphawu.
And God says,
uNkulunkulu uthi
I will never flood the earth again.
angiphinde ngibhubhise umhlaba ngozamcolo.
And on top of that, God says you're not allowed to kill anybody.
Ngaphekwa lokho uNkulunkulu uthi awuvumelekile ukubulala omunye
Because
umuntu
God anticipates problems ahead.
ngoba uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi kuzoba nezinkinga makiwa phambili.
Abraham,
Sika-Abraham,
land,
izwe,
family,
umndeni,
and then your family will be a blessing to all the world.
usuthi-ke umndeni wakho uzoba isibusiso emhlabeni wonke.
This has all the properties of Noah's one.
Lesivumelano naso sinezici
David,
zikaNoah. Masiya kwesikaDavide isivumelwano.
your family will be the family of kings. You will be the rulers
Uthi-ke umndeni wakho uzoba umndeni wamakhosi
forever.
phakade.
So even though you have bad kings,
Nakuba uzoba namakhosi
the
angayiphathi kahle,
promise that your family will rule forever is never taken away.
kodwa isithembiso sokuthi umndeni wakho uzoba wamakhosi phakade ngeke sisuswe kuwe.
Was that fulfilled?
Ngabe kwagcwaliseka lokho?
Was it true? Was it a lie?
Kwakuyiqiniso, kwakuwamanga?
Depends how you view things.
Kuya ngokuthi uyibuka kanjani izinto.
We know clearly David's family did not rule forever.
Siyakwazi ukuthi uDavida azange abuse phakade.
But what do? We
Kodwa
take Jesus,
kwagcina
who was the son of David,
sithatha uJesu njengendodana
and that's how we see that being fulfilled.
Sibona
Sinai,
sikubona lapho ke.
which is the old covenant.
eSinai isivumelwano esidala.
We have the law on tables of stone.
Sinomthetho ubhalwe ezibhebheni zamatshe.
And throughout Sinai,
Siselapha kuSinai.
and God says, I want to have a meeting with you.
Uthi uNkulunkulu ngifuna ukuba nomhlangano nani.
Let's sort things out.
Asilungise izinto.
And what do the people say?
Bathina abantu.
Yes or no?
Bathi yebo noma cha?
They say no.
Bathi cha.
We do not want to speak with you.
Vele nasifuna ukukhuluma nawe.
In parenthesis, because we're scared.
Kubakaki ngoba siyesaba.
So they say,
Bathi ke
you're God's friend, Moses. You speak to God
uNkulunkulu wakho lo Moses wena hamba ukhulume naye.
on our behalf.
Uyokhulumela thina.
And we call that
Lokho sikubiza ngokuthi
a mediator. So Moses is the
Mose.
mediator of the old covenant.
uMoses umnquseli wesivumelwano esidala.
And in his house,
Emndenini
in
wakhe
his dispensation, if you like,
noma esikhathini sakhe ubeka
in his
kanjalo
rulership over Israel,
ekubuseni kwakhe uIsrayeli.
he is faithful.
Uthembekile.
He's a faithful mediator.
Umnquseli othembekile.
Despite that,
Nangale kwalokho
does God speak to the people
uNkulunkulu ngabe uyakhuluma nabantu?
directly?
Khulume nabo ngqo.
Yes.
Yebo.
So Mount Sinai,
Entabeni yaseSinai
Moses has gone up, done whatever he did,
uMoses ukhuphuka uya kuNkulunkulu uyakwenza lo
and
ayekwenza.
now God is going to thunder down from Sinai.
uNkulunkulu uzobe sehla ke khuluma lapha eSinai.
He's going to thunder down, speak with thunder, angrily.
Uzokhuluma ke ngolaka nentukuthelo.
And says, keep the commandments.
Uthi gcinani imiyalelo.
And what do the people say?
Abantu bathini bona?
Whatever you tell us
Na noma ikuphi ositshela kona
to do,
ukuba sikwenze,
we will do it.
siyakukwenza.
Throw any command at us and we will obey.
Wena nje sitshele thina solandela.
That's a covenant.
Isivumelwano leso.
This is what you're supposed to do. Yep, we will do it.
Inake kumele nikwenze, yebo sizokwenza.
And of course, they were not able to do it.
vele njengoba sazi ke
So
abakwazi ukusigcina.
if you make a deal and you break the deal,
Uma wenza isivumelwano bese uyasephula,
did the deal fail?
ngabe isivumelwano sahluleka
Yes.
safeyila? Yebo.
So did the old covenant fail?
Ngabe isivumelwano esidala safeyila?
Yes.
Yebo.
And this is where we begin to get into problems
Ilapho esiqala khona ukuba ney'nkinga ke la,
because we've demonstrated
ngoba sesibonisile
that the old failed.
ukuthi isivumelwano esidala safeyila.
And have we made a mistake?
Sase senza iphutha?
No.
Ngabe senza iphutha? Cha.
But there is a different story,
Kodwa ibali elihlukile leli,
a different perspective.
indlela yokubuka izinto ehlukile.
Just keep that in the back of your mind.
Sokubeka nje engqondweni zethu lokho.
Because this old one failed,
Ngoba esidala safeyila,
sin and repent, nothing changes.
uyona uyathethelela, uyona uyaphenduka, akukho okushintshayo.
God will say, we've come to an end, the final generation, if you like.
uNkulunkulu uzothi-ke sesifike esiphethweni kwisizukulwane sokugcina. Uma uyibeka
And
kanjalo.
after the destruction of Israel,
Emva kokubhujiswa
God
kwethempeli
will start again.
ukubhujiswa
This is the
kwa-Israyeli,
Babylonian captivity.
uNkulunkulu uzoqala kabusha futhi
Because after that,
ukuthunjwa kweBhabhiloni lokhu.
we'll have a new covenant,
Emva kwalokho soba nesivumelwano esisha,
which is the one that we were supposed to have all the time.
okuyilesi ekumele ngabe sibe naso vele
So
esikhathini sonke.
that's why
Ingakho-ke
if you go to Abraham,
uma uya ku-Abraham
to Sinai,
eSinai,
to I'll just say Jeremiah,
usuka lapho uye
the Sinai one was a waste of time,
lesi saseSinai kwakuchitha nje isikhathi,
and it wasn't what God really wanted.
kwakungeyona into uNkulunkulu ayifuna ngempela.
But after 215 years of
Kodwa
slavery,
kodwa emva kweminyaka ewu-215 yobugqila,
it was only about 70 years of slavery in real life.
empeleni kwakuyiminyaka engango-70 ebugqileni
It's not
empilweni yangempela.
430, it's not 215, it's less than 100.
Akusiyo 430, akusiyo 400, akusiyo 215, kungaphansi kwa-100.
Which shows you how quickly people can degenerate.
Ebonisa kalula ukuthi abantu bakhona ukuthi bawe
The Israelites that come out are slaves.
U-Israyeli uphuma eGibhithe
This is
beyizigqila.
at the beginning of the 40 years.
Kusekuqaleni kweminyaka leyo-40 la.
First generation, they've been made free, but they think like slaves.
Izizukulwane sokuqala baphume bekhululekile
God
kodwa basacabanga njengey'gqila.
Cannot take them out of their slavery mindset.
uNkulunkulu akakwazanga ukubakhipha engqondweni yabo
And
yobugqila.
that's why this old covenant comes into effect.
Ingakho-ke lesivumelwano esidala sibese siyasebenza.
I don't know how many people
Angiqinisekanga ukuthi
have the
bangaki
perspective that we have
abanale ndlela yokubuka esinayo
about slavery being the cause of this mindset.
ngokuphathelene nobugqila ukuthi yibo obubanga ukuthi bacabange kanje.
I hope we're all comfortable with that.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sonke siyahambisana nalokho.
Explains why the people behave this way.
Okuyisona sizathu esibalulwayo ukuthi kungani
And so
abantu
what we
benza
do
ngale ndlela.
in the movement
Esikwenzayo-ke la kwi-movement
is to take the blame away from the people.
ukuthatha ukusoleka kubantu.
It's not their fault that they behave this way.
Akusiso abasiyona imbangela yokuthi
Are we okay with
bacabange kanje.
that?
Siyavumelana
Because
nalokho.
that concept becomes significant
Ngoba lo mqondo bese
as
uyabaluleka
we try to trace from Advent movement to the 126 years of darkness and then to this movement.
nje masizama ukuhamba ke siyobheka i-1260 ne-Advent movement size sofika kule movement esikuyo
You
manje.
come out of captivity,
Ukuphuma ekuthunjweni
whether it's Egyptian,
ngabe kuseGibhithe,
whether it's Babylonian,
ngabe kuseBhabhiloni,
whether it's Mystery Babylonian,
noma ngabe iBhabheli elikhulu
430,
unyaka u430
70,
ewu70
1260,
elewu1260
all the same, repeating pattern.
into efanayo amaphethini ayiphindaphindayo.
What's the end result?
Ithini imphumela
When the
yesiphelo
people come out of the captivity,
uma abantu bephuma
are they
ekuthunjweni?
free or are they slaves?
Abakhululekile noma bayizigqila?
Physically,
Emzimbeni
they're free.
bakhululekile,
Emotionally,
emoyeni
they're slaves.
baseyizigqila.
And that impacts the way they think.
Lokho kunechaphazela endleleni abacabanga ngayo.
So, after the Egyptian slavery,
Emva kokuba bephuma ke eGibhithe,
God says,
uNkulunkulu uthi
let's carry on Abraham's covenant,
uthi asiqhubeze isivumelwano sika-Abraham,
the original one.
lesi sasekuqaleni.
And the people don't do it.
Abantu abakhona ukwenza lokho.
Whatever the relationship that is going on there, it doesn't work out that way.
Nanoma ibuphi ubudlelwano ababe nabo ngaleso sikhathi, kodwa gcina
So they enter
bungasebenzi.
into an old.
Babese bangena kwesidala.
Then comes the Babylonian captivity.
Bese kufika isikhathi sokuthi bayothunjwa eBhabhiloni.
And at the end of that,
Ekupheleni kwalapho
it says, I'll give a new covenant,
besithi ke ngizonikeza isivumelwano esisha,
which Adventists believe is the original one.
ukuthi ke ama-Adventist akholelwa ukuthi isona lesi sasinikezwe
And
kuqala.
how did the people behave?
Abantu bebese bayiphatha kanjani
They
la?
still behave like they're slaves,
Basayiphatha njengeyigqila.
but God doesn't go back
Kodwa uNkulunkulu abuyele emuva.
and treat the relationship that way.
Bese ubudlelwano lobo aphathe ngaleyo ndlela.
But the execution, the day-to-day interaction is old.
Kodwa indlela esenzeka ngayo imihla nemihla, indlela abaphila ngayo ile
Come to Jesus.
isivumelwano esidala. Mase isikhathi sikaJesu,
So the reason why the New Testament is the new covenant
izathu esenza ukuthi iNew Testament ke ibe isivumelwano esidala,
because this promise
ingoba lesivumelwano
that God will take full responsibility for everything
uNkulunkulu uzokuthatha yonke into ayibeke kuye.
comes with a price.
Lokho kuhamba ke nemthelela.
And the price is
Imphumela ukuthi
Jesus takes responsibility for all of what we have done.
ukuthi uJesu ukuthatha kubeke kuye ukuthi senze
So when
izinto
Jesus
ezenzile
comes,
thina.
it's, I'll use the phrase, I'm not the only one,
Uma uJesu ebuya ke ngizokunika nje igama lakhona,
it's the ratification.
ukugcwaliseka.
We might think about it as the signing
Ukusayinwa mangubeka nje ngaleyo
of
ndlela
the deal. The
kwesivumelwano.
new covenant deal is now being ratified.
Isivumelwano esisha siyaqinisekiswa manje.
And when it gets ratified, some fundamental things change.
Uma siqinisekiswa izinto ezibalekile ziyashintsha.
The one that's clearly obvious
Okuyiyona yona nje esobala kakhulu.
here on the board, it says Old Covenant, New Covenant.
Masibuka lapha ebhodini ithi
One's a covenant, one's a testament.
isivumelwano esisha esodwa siyi-covenant esodwa
When it talks about
siyi-testament.
sin, it says the sin isn't remembered, and the other one is it's every year brought to remembrance.
Masikhuluma ngesono lesi esinye sithi sikhunjula unyaka nonyaka, lesi esinye kuthiwa isona sisakhunjulwa.
Is that okay or not? So I'm just going to go back to that.
Sizobuyela nje kulokho.
Old Covenant, New Covenant,
Isivumelwano esisha
to
nesivumelwano
the
esidala.
Testament.
Esisha
Okay, so the law
esidala
is on stones,
umthetho
and the law is in your heart.
kwesisha umthetho usenhlizweni.
Remembered,
Ziyakhunjulwa
not
lapha
remembered.
izono la kwesisha
We've done that,
ekhunjulwa izono. Sikwenzile lokho.
and that's going to happen for a few hundred years in the Old Testament.
Lokhu kuzokwenzeka eminyakeni engamakhulukhulu
But
emva
pretty
kwayo.
much everything continues as it always has.
Ezinye izinto ziyaqhubeka nje njengoba belokhu zenzeka.
Then in the New Testament,
KwiTestament elisha
there's some additions,
kukhona okwenezelwayo,
additional changes.
ushintsho
We
olunezezelayo.
want to identify two of them.
Sifuna ukubheka nje ushintsho olubili
What are
kulokho.
the two major changes that happen now
Ikuphi okubili okushintshiwe okukhulu
that
njengamanje
distinguish the old and the new?
okuhlukanisa izivumelwano esidala nesisha.
Tamina.
Sisizwe kuthamina.
There is a different sign for the covenant.
So there is a different sign,
Kunophawu oluhlukile
but there are two major things.
kule ivumelwano. Kodwa kunezinto ezimbili ezinkulu ezenze lolu shintsho noma lo mehluko.
Anyone? Sophie?
Sophia,
It's not only for the Jews, but for all the world.
I don't know if everybody heard that. She said in the old,
uthe isivumelwano
it's them and
esidala
us,
kuba yithi
Jews and
nabo,
Gentiles.
yithi nabo.
Now, the new covenant
Kwisivumelwano esisha
is supposed to be for everybody.
sifanele ukuthi kube
Where did we see that element?
sikubona blokho.
Which covenant did we see it in?
Sikubona kusiphi isivumelwano?
Noah's. It's the
KwesikaNoah.
universal testament.
SikaNoah kusho ukuthi iTestament
Remember that?
yomhlaba wonke.
God's going to do, and it's to everybody.
uNkulunkulu azokwenza okwenzela umhlaba wonke.
So we know the Noah covenant has all the properties of the new covenant.
Siyabona ukuthi isivumelwano sikaNoah sinazo zonke izicubu zesivumelwano
And now this is going to actually come into effect or be ratified.
lokhu kuzobe sekuyaqinisekiswa ke.
From Jeremiah to Christ,
Kusukela kuJeremiah kuya kuKristu
let's say about 500 years.
asiye sithi iminyaka u500.
If you're in the new,
Uma sikwesisha
what about the Gentiles?
kwenzakalani ngabezizwe?
It's not working according to the rules.
Asisebenzi ngokwemthetho.
So once it's ratified,
Saze saqinisekiswa
then the wall is taken away.
udonga
That's the
Yes.
Jews and the Gentiles,
udonga oluphakathi
and they
oluhlukanisa
become one.
amaJuda nabezizwe kuyasuswa bese baba munye.
Everybody okay with what Sophie said?
Ya
For that to happen,
so uma kwenzeka lokho
another change has to, I'll say, precede it or go hand in hand with it.
kuba khona olunye ushintsho olihambisana nalo lolu.
So Tamina says mediator.
UThamina uthi ke umnquseli
It's in that chapter.
kuyo leya
So
chapter
I'm going to say
ngizothi ke
the sanctuary system dies.
uhlelo lwethabanekele luphelelwa isikhathi.
The sanctuary system has to be done away with.
Uhlelo lwethabanekele luyasuswa
If the
libekwe eceleni.
sanctuary system has to be done away with,
Uma lususwa lolu hlelo lwethabanekele
what has to happen to the temple?
kwamele kwenzakaleni kwithempeli
Has to die.
nalo kwamele
Cannot have a temple.
ngeke size sibe
You could have a museum,
singaba nayo
but
museum
not a functioning temple.
kodwa singabi nalo ithempeli lisebenzayo.
And that's regardless
Lokho
of
kungaphandle
AD 70.
kungaphandle kwa AD 70.
AD 70
AD 70
is not the fulfillment of what's on the board.
akasikugcwaliseka kwaloko kulapha ebhodini.
It happens to fulfill what needs to be done,
Yenzeka u70 AD ukugcwaliswa kwakumele
but
kwenze
AD 70 didn't happen because of the new covenant.
kodwa akenzakalanga u70 AD ngenxa yezivumelano esisha.
It's a different stream of, it's a different story.
Ibali elihlukile.
Are we okay with that?
Siyahambisana nalokho.
So there are two things.
Kunezinto ezimbili.
All the world is now one,
Wonke umhlaba
going back to
ubonye.
Noah,
Sibuyele esikhathini sikaNoah.
and now the sanctuary system and the priesthood is destroyed.
Uhlelo lwasethabhanekeleni
Are we okay with that?
nobupristi
There's
bususiwe.
some other things, but that's the major thing that happens.
Iyo into enkulu eyenzeka.
I want to
leyo.
remind us,
Ngifisa ukuthi
I
ngikhumbuze
don't know everybody's lineage or your family background,
angilwazi ke ulibo lwemindeni yabantu la.
but I suspect everybody in this room is a Gentile,
Kodwa ngiyasola wonke umuntu la
and yet you all behave like you're Jews.
kuleli gumbi ngabezizwe kodwa nizenza ngathi
This is
ngamaJuda.
what Adventism does to you.
I-Adventism iyona nto eyenzayo
It distorts your brain.
iphambanisa ingqondo
And because you think you're Jews,
ngoba sicabanga ukuthi singamaJuda.
you treat your fellow people
Abantu sibaphatha ngendlela
and you call them what?
sibabiza ngokuthi
Mystery Babylon
bayibhabheli leli
and
liyimfihlo
apostate Protestants.
futhi bangama-Protestant
How Jewish thinking is that? I
ucabanga
mean,
ukuthi
Jewish from
ngamaJuda
ancient
okunjani lo?
Israel. I'm not talking about today.
Ngikhuluma ngokusuka ku
But we seem to forget
Israel wasendulo kuze kwamanje kodwa ngathi siyakhohlwa
that in that little graphic, we're on the right hand side.
ukuthi laphayana ngathi singapha kwa-right thina kwesokunene
We're not on the left.
asikho kwa-left.
We call this
Lokhu sikubiza ngokuthi
universalism. I call it that.
i-universalism ngokomhlaba wonke.
We're all one.
Sonke simunye.
And all that's kind of good.
Ngiyazi ukuthi lokho kunobuhle.
And what is Ellen White going to do?
Uzobe senzani ku-Ellen White?
She's going to be right at the end of the world, final generation, everything like that.
Uzoba sekupheleni komhlaba akhulume ngemfundiso yezizukulwane.
And what's the first thing she's going to do?
Yiphi into yokuqala azoyenza?
Sorry, USA. Not USA.
Hayi USA.
Need a mic or shall I repeat it? I'll repeat it. She's going to draw, I'll say it in my own words.
Ngizokuphinda kodwa ngibeke amagama.
She's going to rebuild the wall of partition.
Uzolakha lolu bonda lokwahlukana.
And as soon as you do that,
Masinyane nje mawenza lokho.
so this is what she does.
Naku kakwenzayo
These Gentiles
uthi laba bezizwe
become us.
baba yithi.
So now we're the special chosen ones.
Thina siba yilaba abakhethiwe.
We have this nice wall,
Sinalo bonda lwenza ukwahlukana.
and then you have them.
Bese kuba yibo la.
And we've got lots of dirty
Sokunemba.
words for them.
Sinamagama amaningi ke sibabiza ngawo. Bona.
Why would you do that?
Uyenzelani ungayenza
Apostasy.
kanjani nje?
Why would you do that?
Ungayenza kanjani into enjalo?
such a retrograde step
igxathe elibuyele emuva elibuyisela izinto emuva.
Tamina?
Thamina sike sizwe kuwe.
Because the people are still slaves in their mind and it's necessary to do it.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba abantu basezigqila ey'ngqondweni zabo so
Just like the covenant at Sinai.
kufanelekile ukuthi bakwenze
Anyone else?
njengalesivumelwano esile kuSinai.
Sophie? Sophie first, then. Sorry, she had a stay there, Shemaine.
I think it's the same that what Tamina say. I just
Speak
say
a little bit louder.
it's the same that what Tamina said. I say 12:16 to
Say that last thing.
12:16. 12:16.
Oh, 12:16.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yafana lokhu Thamina kushilo ngathi nje ngenxa ka-1260.
So Sophie said they've come out the 1260. So it's this idea with the slavery mindset.
Baphume kulo nyaka ka-1260 bese nomqondo wokugcina.
Shemaine? Did you want to say something? Oh, sorry, Arian.
So the question is why she introduces us and them again.
Umbuzo uthi kungani eletha
Yes.
into
Why did she build
kaThina
this
nabo?
wall?
Kungani akha lolu bonda?
Because it's the only way to gather a people again.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba iyona
Special.
ndlela yokuqoqa abantu le.
Shemaine?
Because of our doctrine,
Ngenxa
we have the
yemfundiso zethu.
Sabbath.
Ngenxa yemfundiso zethu
Can we finish?
sinesabatha.
We are those who keep the commandment of God.
Ngoba siyilabo abagcina imithetho kaNkulunkulu, imiyalelo kaNkulunkulu.
I asked why. And I asked why.
Ngibuze ukuthi kungani.
And what you gave me
Ongiphendule ngakho
is you told me what the wall was.
ungitshela ukuthi ubonda lolu.
I'm asking why the wall.
Ngibuza ukuthi kungani
We all know the wall is Sabbath.
Siyalazi lolu bonda ukuthi isabatha.
Why create a wall, Shemaine?
Kungani ebuyisa lolu bonda?
Or I'll answer if
Noma ngingaphendula uma mhlawumbe ke sesiphendulile.
so Monica said protect.
uMonica utheke ukuvikela.
So we had Abraham
Sibe noAbraham
and David.
noDavid.
What's the purpose of Abraham and David?
Yiphi injongo noma inhloso kaAbraham noDavid?
When I say I don't mean the men, I mean the covenant. What's the purpose of those covenants?
Angiqondile ukuthi umuntu kodwa ngikhuluma ngesivumelwano esiphathelene nalo.
Land, descendants, blessing to the people,
Izwe, izizukulwane, isibusiso
permanent
kubantu,
monarchy,
ubukhosi baphakade,
which means there'll always be the boss.
ukuthi uzohlale yena
What's the
umaqhuzu.
point of all of them?
Yini injongo yayo yonke leyo?
The thoughts? Before we carry on then,
Ngaphambi
David's
kokuqhubeka,
one.
uDavid
You'll always be the boss.
uzohlale umaqhuzu.
Is that old on you?
Isivumelane esidala noma esisha leso.
Sophie says new, Christian says old.
Usofu uthi esisha, uChristian
So-
uthi esidala.
Part of the problem that we have,
Enye inkinga
it
esinayo
sounds very old,
sizwakala ngathi sidala,
ugly.
sibi.
Sophie said,
uSophie uthi
however ugly it is,
noma ngabe sibi kangakanani,
it's new
sisha
because it's a testament.
ngoba iTestament.
Doesn't matter how badly behaved the kings are, there will always be kings.
Akusho lutho ukuthi amakhosi ayiphatha kabi kangakanani kodwa ayohlale ngamakhosi.
Their kingship is not based upon behavior, it's based upon blood.
Ubukhosi abakhelanga pheke ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani, bakhelwe pheke egazi.
That's new.
Kusha lokho.
We okay with that?
Isivumelano esisha.
So the reason why Abraham and David's covenants are necessary,
Izathu esenza ukuthi isivumelano sika-Abraham
because they're only in the Old Testament, not in the New.
zifaneleke ngokuba zikwi-Testament elidala elisha.
They lose their land in the New, don't they?
Balahlekelwa izwe labo
And all of David's children are long dead by the New Testament.
empeleni banga izizukulwane zabantu abafa kudala
So in this old story,
kwi-Testament elisha. Kuleli bala elidala ke
there's a wall.
kunobonda.
And what's the purpose of the wall?
Yini injongo yalolu bonda?
So I'm just going to pick up the word
Ngizothatha nje leli gama
protect,
elithi
but I
ukuvikela.
want to use the word that we've been using for quite some time now,
Kodwa ngifisa ukusebenzisa leli gama ekade silisebenzisa isikhathi manje
survival.
elithi ukuphila noma ukusurvive.
And this isn't survival of David or Abraham.
Akusiko ukusurvive kwaDavide noma Abraham lo.
What needs to survive?
Yini okumele isurvive?
What is it that needs to survive?
Yini lekumele isurvive?
Kingdom,
Umbuso,
so I'm going to call it the truth,
ngizokubiza
which is
ngokuthi
the knowledge
iqiniso noma
of
ngithi
God.
ulwazi
The
lukaNkulunkulu.
other answers are all fine. I'm not saying they're wrong.
Zonke nalezinye impendulo
So,
ziqondile.
It's
Angisho
not a
Zero.
person that needs to survive or a family,
Umndeni noma umuntu kwamele
because they
asinde noma
are
aphile.
symbols or representatives of the truth,
Lokho kuyisymbol noma
of the
uphawu
plan of
olumelele
salvation, if we can say it
iqiniso
that.
noma ucebo losindiso.
So if that's true,
Uma kuyiqiniso lokho,
when we come to Ellen White,
uma sifika ku-Ellen White,
what mode is she in?
ukuyiphi-ke
Survival.
ukule ndlela yokusinda, ukuthi usebenzele ukusinda.
Do we agree that she's in survival mode?
Singavumelana ukuthi usebenzele ile ndlela
She
yokusinda noma
is the
yokuphila.
angel of the church of Laodicea,
Uyingelosi yebandla
which means
laseLaodikeya,
Laodicea is in survival mode.
okusho ukuthi iLaodikeya isendleleni le yokuphila noma yokusurvive.
Question?
Mbuzo,
Is she in a mode of survival? Is because she put a wall?
engabe ukule mode yokusurvive noma yokuphila ngoba efaka
Flip
ubona?
it the other way round. She builds a wall to survive.
Ungayiphinda kodwa uyiphendulele. Wakho ubonda ukuze asurvive noma aphile.
Does that make sense?
Kuyawenza umqondo lo?
If she doesn't have a wall,
Uma lungakhiwa lolu bonda,
Adventists
ama-Adventist
will marry their children off to Protestants.
bebezoshadisa abantwana babo namaProtestanti.
Start again. Oh, you're totally gone. So, if Adventists don't separate,
Uma ama-Adventist
don't protect themselves,
bengayivikeli,
they'll marry into other faiths,
bazobe sebashada nezinye izinkolo.
and our message will be diluted,
Umlayezo wethu uzobese ke
lost.
ugungwa bese uyalahleka.
Are we okay with that?
Siyakubona lokho.
You build a wall to protect yourself,
Wakho ubonda ukuyivikela
to survive.
ukuze ukhona ukusurvive noma
Does she frame it that way? No.
ngabe
She frames it as some holy mission,
ngabe ukubeka ngaleyo ndlela yena cha
some
ukubeka ngathi
honorable cause.
umsebenzi ongcwele ufanele ukuthi wenziwe lo.
Lift up the Sabbath
Uphakamisa isabatha
that we can all be blessed.
ukuze sonke sobusiseka.
But the real reason
Kodwa isizathu okuyisona sona
is to survive.
ukuthi
Are
sisurvive.
we okay with that?
Siyaqonda lokho
Because what's the consequences?
ngoba imphumela izothi
Let's look at a really simple model.
asibuke na imodel elula nje.
This waymark is what?
Lo mkhombandlela imuphi?
We only got one waymark here. What's this waymark?
Sinomkhombandlela owodwa la, imuphi lo mkhombandlela?
What's that waymark?
Imuphi lo mkhombandlela?
I'm not pointing to anything because I'm not giving you the answer easily. What waymark is on the screen?
Angeke ngikhombe lutho ngoba ngifuna ukunika impendulo kalula. Imuphi lo mkhombandlela lapha escreenini?
It says old and new. What waymark is that?
Ithi okusha nokudala. Imuphi lo mkhombandlela?
Jesus says what? I call it first advent.
Ngizothi ukufika
The first
kaKristu
advent.
kokuqala.
What's the next waymark?
Thina umkhombandlela olandelayo.
Second waymark has to be second advent.
Kwamele kube ukuza kaKristu
What happens before the first advent?
kwenzakalani ngaphambi kokuba kufike uKristu ukufika kaKristu kokuqala?
On the board.
Ebhodini. Khona la ebhodini.
What's happening? Protection. We have a wall.
Bayivikela kunodonga
Survival.
ukuze basurvive. Bayivikele.
Why do you need to survive?
Kungani kumele basurvive noma baphile, baqhubeke baphile?
If I said survive,
Uma ngithi ke survive,
why do you survive?
kungani kumele usurvive noma uphile? Kube kuphile.
To maintain the truth of the coming Messiah.
Ukugcina
So
iqiniso
you're going to
likaMesiya ozayo.
survive
Uma besurvive
because you need to be ready for something,
ngoba kwamele
or
balungisele
you survive
into ethile
until
ezayo.
something happens.
Noma kwamele baphile kuze kwenzeke into
So
ethile.
you need to survive
Bebedinga ukusurvive noma ukuphila
so you can get to the place where you need to be.
ukuze ukwazi ukufika la kumele ufike khona.
If you're in the wilderness, lost,
Ngesikhathi sasehlane
how long do you need to survive for?
udinga ukuthi uphile isikhathi
Survive till
esingakanani?
what? No, not religion.
Hayi
Your
ngokwenkomo.
airplane crashed and you're in the jungle.
Uma kuwa indiza mhlawumbe ule ehlane udinga isikhathi esingakanani?
You need to survive, yes?
Uyadinga
Until
ukuphila
what?
kuze kufike ini?
Until you're rescued.
Kuze uqhamuke
So-
usizo lakho.
Before the first advent, you need to survive
Kodwa ngaphambi kokufika kaKristu kokuqala
until you're rescued.
kwakumele uphile kuze kufike ukuthi usindiswe.
First advent.
Ukufika kaKristu
What would you expect to happen before the second advent?
awulindele ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngaphambi kokuba kufike uKristu kokuqala.
Exactly the same thing.
Into efanayo nalapha ngaphambi kokufika kuKristu kwesibili kwenzeka into efanayo.
So, This survival before the second advent, who is that?
Lokusurvive ngaphambi kokuba kufike
Who's doing that?
uKristu kwesibili. Ubani owenza
The
lokho?
angel
Ingelosi,
of the seventh church.
ingelosi zebandla lesikhombisa noma ingelosi
Are we
yebandla.
okay with that? That's what we've got at the top here.
Siyakubona lokho. Yiloko esinako lapha phezulu.
Where we've got this singular waymark, first advent,
Uma sinale mkhombandlela wokufika
there's
kaKristu,
a lot of things going on.
kunezinto eziningi ezenzakalayo lapha.
And we have to come out of survival mode into a different mode.
Kwafanele siphume kwindlela yokusurvive.
We're going to move away from
ehlukile.
survival to what?
Uma sisuka kweyokusurvive siya kweyani?
On the board. To universalism.
Siya kwi-universalism.
So now we have to go to universal.
So sifanele siye ku-universalism. Universal.
How many Jews accepted John's message?
Mangakhi amaJuda amukela umlayezo kaJohane?
All of them. They all
Bonke,
accepted his message. No problem.
bonke bawamukela ngaphandle
Because he was a Jew.
ngoba umJuda,
A Jew of the Jews.
umJuda wamaJuda.
And what is he teaching?
Yini ayifundisa
Them and us.
thina nabo
At the first advent.
ekufeni kwaJesu
And
wokuqala.
why are they going to begin to reject Christ and totally reject Paul?
Ungani ke bezoqala benqabe uKristu bese bemnqaba noPaul?
Because what will Paul do?
Ngoba uzokwenzani Pawulo?
He's going to take the gospel to the world, break down the wall of partition, and make it a universal message.
Uzothatha ivangeli alise emhlabeni wonke, enza bezizwe namaJuda babe munye,
And it's not scriptural.
abhidlize udonga. And
You
leyo nto
can find
ayithenjani?
some odd verse somewhere
Singathola amavesi nje lapha nalapha
that might indicate that.
angachaza lokho.
So what you'll do is,
Esikwenzayo kwethi ukuthi
when Paul committed adultery, what was her name?
umpostoli Pawula
The woman.
waphinga nini? Kwakubani igama lalo wesifazane?
Sorry? Oh, David.
uDavide, hayi
Paul did some funny stuff, but David, when David committed adultery,
wenza okwakhe uPawula kodwa uDavide
Bathsheba, what's her surname?
uBetsheba. Lena waphinga sithini isibongo sakhe?
What's her tribal name?
Wayengwasiphi
You
isizwe?
don't know. What's the name of her husband?
Bani igama lomyeni wakhe?
Uriah,
Uriah the
Uriah,
Hittite.
the Hittite.
Uriah Hittite.
Why did they add that bit on? Uriah the Hittite. Is a Hittite a Jew?
Umhittite
Is that marriage legal?
ngabe lo mshado awukho emthethweni?
Yes. Because
Yeah.
he's a what?
Ngoba
What word? I don't know I don't know the English word.
angilazi lisilungu.
He's converted, or we call it a proselyte.
Uphendukile noma
He's been converted to Judaism, and now he can marry.
uphendukele kumaJuda so angashada
And
manje.
because ancient Israel was so nice, so inclusive,
Abantu ku-Israel
when you become a fully baptized member of the church,
babe bahle ngendlela yokuthi uma ubhabhatiswa ngokuphelele ebandleni
what do they call you?
wawubizwa ngani?
Joan the black woman. Uriah the Hittite.
Babekubiza
They're never going to let him forget who he is.
babekubiza ke ngesizwe sakho babethu Uriah the Hittite.
So when Paul,
ukuthi ubani?
who's a Hebrew of the Hebrews, pure bloodline,
umHebheru wamaHebheru,
when he gets into trouble,
ngowegazi,
who
mayengena
does he
enkingeni,
turn to?
wayephendukela kubani?
God?
uNkulunkulu.
No.
Ha,
He takes out his Roman passport
thatha ipassport
and
yakhe
says, I'm a Roman of the Romans.
yaseRoma, besathi hayi mina ngumRoma wamaRoma.
So, in so many ways,
Ngey'ndlela ke ey'ningi ey'hlukile.
Paul is destroying the survival mindset,
Apostle Paula ke
and it
ubhidliza
is not according to the recognized understanding of Scripture.
ubhidliza le ndlela yokwahlukana lolubonda and
So here we are at the end of the world,
engaziwa ke ngokwasembhaleni le.
and this is what we are discussing now.
Uma sifika ke kupheleni komhlaba ikona into esikhuluma ngayo le.
Ellen White's survival picture,
Isithombe sika Ellen White sokusurvive
where we know,
lapho esazi khona
because even she tells you,
ngoba uyasitshela
it's going to be a universal message.
kuzoba umlayezo womhlaba wonke.
She says,
Uthi
all humans are equal.
bonke abantu bayalingana.
Many studies have been done on that.
Ziningi izifundo ke ezenziwe ngalokho.
What's the great sin? Babylon has fallen of the Americans,
Isiphi isono esikhulu esithi
according to what Elder Tess has taught.
iBhabheli liwile mayelana nalokhu umdala utheza.
Slavery.
Slavery.
So slavery is a clean word.
Ukuthi slavery ke igama
It's the subjugation of black people by white people.
ukucindezelwa kwabantu abamnyama becindezelwa abamhlophe.
And Ellen White says
Ellen White
it's very
uthi
bad.
imbi le yanto kakhulu.
And then she says,
Besathi ke
pragmatically,
ngokubalekile
we should introduce them to the gospel.
kwamele sibalethe
And when we do,
evangelini. Uma senze
what should
njalo
our churches look like?
ibandla lethu lizobuya kanjani?
You have white churches and black churches,
Sizoba namabandla bamhlophe nawo
and the two shall not mix together.
laba kumele bahlangane bonke.
Tell me how universal that is.
Awungitshele ukuthi lokho komhlaba wonke
That's
kanjani.
like Uriah the Hittite, isn't it?
Lokho ke ngathi
What's the difference?
umHittite. Yini mehluko?
After, I didn't, 2,500 years, we've had no progress.
Emva kweminyaka ewu-2000 ngathi asikaze saqhubekela
Here we are today,
kodwa silapha namhlanje.
and the church, the movement is in a very different place.
I-movement ke isendaweni ehlukile impela.
And we're taking this concept of universalism really seriously.
Sithatha ke lela gama elithi universalism
And we think we have arrived
okubalulekile. Sicabanga ukuthi ke sesifikile
because we have a movement that is completely integrated
ngoba sine-movement ephila nabantu.
until we start talking about, can I call them the Gentiles?
Kuze kufike ekuthenini bese sibabiza ngokuthi
These ones,
Indeed.
them,
sithi
those Gentiles.
bona abezizwe.
What are we saying now about those Gentiles?
Sithini manje ngabezizwe?
There are no Gentiles. We're
Oh.
all one.
Abekho abezizwe. Simunye manje.
One.
Simunye.
We can go back into history and see some clues,
Singaya emlandweni sibone ama-clues.
but we know that at the first advent, they're considered equal.
Siyabona ukuthi ngokufika kaKristu wokuqala
Equal, they have equal rights.
babethathwa ngathi bayalingana futhi
And today, they also
banamalungelo
have equal rights.
banamalungelo alinganayo. Namhlanje ke
And
alinganayo.
if I can say, if we just stop at that point,
Ngathi ke uma singabe sesima lapho
everyone in the movement will say, of course, we believe that.
wonke umuntu kwi-movement uyothi vele sikholelwa lokho.
because, oops, what we're talking about,
Ngoba sikhuluma ngakho
us and them,
bona nathi.
is all about believers.
Lokhu kuphathelene namakholwa.
If you believe, you can be part of the club.
Uma ukholwa ungaba ingxenye yethu.
And the problem is,
Inkinga ngalokho
what
ukuthi
if you don't believe?
kwenzakalani uma ungakholwa?
What do you do with those people
Wenza njani ngalabo bantu
who don't believe?
abangakholwa?
That's what this discussion's about.
Lokho esikhuluma ngakho kumayelana nalokho.
When we're speaking about the new and the old covenant and the way it's been framed,
Masikhuluma ngesivumelwano esisha nesidala nangendlela esibekwe ngakhona.
it's been in the whole discussion centers around what do we do with, when I say, I just call them non-believers.
Ingxoxo yethu yakhelwe nje phe ukuthi senza njani ngabantu abangakholwa.
Who will never believe, who
Abangasoze
will never
bakholwa,
join.
abangasoze bajoyina ne-movement.
How do we deal with them?
Sibhekana kanjani ke nabo? Sibaphatha
That's what, if I can summarize in a simple term, that's what the discussions and the issue is about.
ileyo into nje esidingida ngayo mangayibeka
A couple of years ago,
eminyakeni endlulile embalwa.
the first angel
Ingelozi yokuqala
and the second angel,
neyesibili
oops, what did they say
bathini
in response to this question?
uma bephendula lo mbuzo?
What did they say? How did they deal with it?
Bathini ukubhekana nalo mbuzo lo?
The theological position.
Indlela ke ngokwembhalo ebekwe ngokwembhalo.
Lisa?
Lisa,
They will die.
Sorry?
They will die.
bayofa
They will die.
bayofa
So what has to happen?
kwamele kwenzakaleni ke?
What has to happen to stop them dying?
Kwenzakalani ukuthi sibavimbe ukuthi
We have to evangelize them.
shuthi kwamele siyoba
Priests,
So-
Levites, Nethinims.
kumele siyobashumayela
This was our solution.
abapriest, amalevi,
First we evangelize the priests, then we evangelize the Nethinims.
kwakuyisisombululo sethu kuyovangela kuqala abapriest kuba amalevi bese kuba ama-Nethinims.
All very simple and clear.
Kalula nje ngokucacile kanjalo.
All according to scriptural history,
Konke lokho kuya ngomlando
methodology.
wembhalo
Paul goes to all the world
ngokwe-methodology. So noma
because unless he does,
sizoya emhlabeni wonke ngoba ngaphandle kokuthi
the Gentiles are doomed.
abezizwe akuphelile ngapho.
And when he goes to all these places, where does he go first?
Uma umpriest yakubo bonke laba bantu uyakuphi?
In our model, to the Levites or the Nethinims.
Ngokwaleya model yethu yama-Levites nama-Nethinims.
Always to the Levites.
Njalo uqala
He'll
kuma-Levi,
go to a synagogue,
uzoya kuma-synagogue,
engage with the Jews.
axoxisane namaJuda.
When they reject him, he'll wipe the dust off his feet and then go to the Gentiles in the same town.
Uma bemenqaba laphayana uthinta uthule ey'nyaweni
So we took all of that
kulo lelo dolobha noma loyo muzi.
and we said we must do the same
Ngokwako konke ke lokho sithi nathi kwamele senze into efanayo
until
kuze kube ukuthi
we looked at our watch and said if we're too late,
sibuka isikhathi sethu bese sithi hayi isikhathi sesihambe kakhulu.
the time for the Levites has gone
Isikhathi
and the time for the Nethinims have gone.
isikhathi sama-Nethinims siphelile.
Then we said,
Sase sithi
well,
ke
that's fine
hayi kulungile ke
because at least we have priests,
ngoba kungenani sinabapriest
144,000,
sine
the
144,000
final generation.
okuyisizukulwane sokugcina.
and all that needs to be saved
And uma bonke
are
bezosindiswa,
the 8 of us.
kuzosindiswa
Everyone else can die.
abawu-8.
As prophesied
Bonke labanye bazofa njengoba
in
beprophetic
Noah's covenant
ngezivumelwano sikaNoah.
by fire.
Ngomlilo manje.
I think Peter finishes the story.
UPetro ke uvela asiqedeleke ibali lela
So
liqedele.
we came to the place where we said we don't need any Levites and Nethinims to finish the work.
Sifike la khona sithi asadinge abalevi
And the everlasting gospel
abapristi nabalevi
is a
abazoqeda
3-step test,
ivangeli
a
laphakathi.
3-step prophetic testing message.
Sathi ke umlayezo wamagxathu amathathu
And seeing as the Levites and Nethinims don't understand anything about prophecy,
lapha sibona ukuthi abalevi nama-Nethinims awaqondi lutho ngokwesiprofetho,
and we're not teaching them,
nathi asibafundisi,
they're all doomed.
awuphelile ngapho,
But it doesn't matter
kodwa akunandaba
because we'll finish the great controversy without them.
ngoba sizoqeda lempe enkulu
And-
ngaphandle kwabo.
Whatever happens to them, it's none of our business.
Nanoma beyini eyenzeka kubo,
So
umsebenzi wethu.
that's where we were until quite recently,
Yilapha besikhona-ke kuze
until
manje.
people came along and said, let's look at all of this
Kuze kufike-ke
from the perspective of the old and new covenants
umlayezo lo insukwini nje othi sibuke le nto
and the
ngokwesivumelwano
next sentence they said,
eh
because we're in the new covenant,
kuyezwakala ke abakushoyo ngoba
everyone can be saved,
ngoba sisesivumelwaneni esisha.
good or bad, believers and non-believers.
Bathi wonke umuntu ke angasindiswa ngoba abakholwa
And people said,
ababi
how
nababi.
can that be?
Abantu bathi ke kungenzeka kanjani leyo.
That's kind of where we are today.
Ilapho esikhona khona ke namhlanje.
We're in this place
Kule ndawo
where either
lapho khona
none of them can be saved
akekho wabo yosindiswa
or some of them can be saved
noma abathile babo bayosindiswa
or all of them can be saved.
noma bonke bayosindiswa.
So
Ngakho ke
if all of that's okay,
konke lokho makanjalo ke
then the question is,
umbuzo besuthi
Revelation 22:14,
isambulo 22
about keeping those commandments.
ukhuluma ngokugcina leyo myalelo.
How does that work?
Usebenza kanjani ke lo?
So in this model that we've got here,
Kule
priests,
model-
Levites, and Nethinims,
Kule model esinayo lapha nabapristi nabalevi nama-Nethinims.
what both of these angels said is we
Kokubili okwashiwo
Go.
ingelosi
to them,
bathi siya kubo,
we teach them.
siyabafundisa.
And especially with the first angel,
Ikakhulukazi
it
ngengelosi
was easy
yokuqala,
to understand.
okwakulula ukuthi iqondakale.
In the world, how many days of holiday do we have a week?
Emhlabeni
Holiday.
sinama holiday amangakho evikini.
2 days a week.
Sineyinsuku ezimbili,
God's day,
nosuku lukaNkulunkulu,
Satan's day,
sibe nosuku lukaSathane,
Sabbath Sunday.
i-Sabbath Sunday.
Okay with that?
Siyakubona lokho
Most places,
ey'ndaweni ey'ningi.
there's some legislation mostly about Satan's holiday, not God's.
Kunemithetho emayelana nosuku lukaSathane hayi lukaNkulunkulu.
But in the secular world in which we live,
Kodwa emhlabeni lo ongenkolo
most
esiphila kuwo,
countries don't legislate strictly about these days.
amazwe amaningi awayishaya imithetho ngalezi nsuku.
Now, what about if there was some economic crisis,
Kokwenzakalani ke uma ngathi umnotho uyawa,
some natural disaster, something,
noma kwenzeka nje isibhicongo semvelo noma into ethile nje.
And the government said,
Uhulumeni besathini?
you're not allowed to work on Sundays.
Besathi awuvumelekile ukuthi usebenze ngesonto.
And you don't have to work on Saturdays,
Awuphoqelekile
but
ukuthi usebenze
Saturdays is the clean-up day or something.
ngomgqibelo. Kodwa umgqibelo kuyoba
Unless someone told
udoti.
a Gentile,
Mhlambe kube khona umuntu ongowesizwe
they're legislating now for Sunday, and this is a secret Sunday law.
ushaya umthetho leyo umthetho wemfihlo
Would
kweSunday.
they know? They're experiencing it in real time,
Bayokwazi ukuthi lokhu
but would
babhekane
they
nakho
understand what's going on?
empilweni yabo. Uma
Could they have an intellectual understanding of
Bayo-
what the war is?
bayoqonda yini engqondweni yabo ukuthi
The Sabbath Sunday struggle.
kwenzakalani empilweni, bayoyiqonda le mpi
No.
mayelana nani, ngeke bayiqonde.
They would experience it, but they don't enter into the prophetic test.
Bayobhekana nayo lento kodwa bangeni
What do they need?
sesiprofeto. Badingani?
They need an Adventist to explain it.
Badinga umsabatha ke ukuthi abachazele.
And then they're informed, and then they can make an informed decision.
Bazoba nolwazi ke bese bathatha inqumo.
I hope that made sense.
Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuyawenza umqondo.
In order for them to make an informed decision, which means to be saved,
Ukuze bekwazi ukuthatha inqumo eziphusile basindiswe,
we have to tell them.
sifanele ukuthi
So
sibatshele.
we'll go to court,
Sizoya enkantolo,
be in the newspaper,
sibe kuma newspaper,
and someone will interview us,
kube khona abantu abasi
and they'll say, this is all about God's glory.
and then bese sithi lonke lokhu
If you want to
kuphathele
go to heaven,
nenkazimulo kaNkulunkulu so
get
ezulwini.
on the right side. And don't be deceived that this is about oil prices
Abayezulwini bazoba ngapho ohlangothini olu-right,
or the
ungakhohlise
economy
yonke lento
or
iphathelene
the environment.
oyela noma
It's
nomnotho
a deception
ne-environment
or an excuse.
noma
That's the typical Adventist perspective, yes?
indlela yama-Adventist leyo.
Now, what happens
Kwenzakalani
if you will never speak to the people,
uma ungasoze wakhuluma nabantu,
Levites and Nethinims?
abalevi
Either
kungenzeka ukuthi
they cannot be saved
ngeke basindiswe
or
noma
there is another plan.
ikhona enye indlela,
There is another solution to this problem.
khona esinye isisombululo kule nkinga.
And that's what we'll try to talk about tomorrow,
Yilokho esozama ukukhuluma ngakho kusasa,
to see if there's an alternative pathway
ukuthi ingabe ikhona enye indlela engcono
than the one that we currently have.
kunalesinayo njengamanje,
Because the one we currently have is
ngoba lesinayo njengamanje ithi
we,
thina
God's people,
abantu bakaNkulunkulu
have to teach them,
sifanele
the
sibafundise
world,
izwe
what's right and wrong,
ikuphi oku-right
what's
noku
going on,
kwenzakalani,
what the great test is.
isivivinyo esikhulu siyini.
And if we decide not to tell them,
Uma sikhethe ukuthi ngeke sibatshele,
the rules say that they die.
umthetho uthi bayafa-ke.
And currently,
Okwamanje
because we're not going to any Levites and Nethinims,
ngoba siyi kubaLevi nama-Nethinims
and we never will,
futhi ngeke sisaya,
they will die.
shuthi bazofa,
And we will be saved,
thina sosindiswa,
and the great controversy will come to an end.
impi enkulu izobe siyaphela.
And that's fine
Ku-right lokho
if it's true,
uma kuyiqiniso,
because there are people who are standing up now.
ngoba abantu abaphakamayo njengamanje
God is some blessing.
uKurtis
Are the current names that we have
ibona esinabo njengamanje
who say that is not true.
bathi lokho akulona iqiniso,
There's a different plan.
kukhona icebe
There's a
elihlukile,
different conclusion.
kunesiphethe
And
esihlukile.
they've said,
Bathe-ke
perhaps not directly,
mhlawumbe basho ngokuqondile
all can be saved.
bonke abantu bazosindiswa,
And people are asking,
bangasindiswa. Abantu
how does
bayabuza
that work?
kusebenza kanjani-ke konke lokho.
And at the moment, the answers that have been given
kwamanje impendulo abasayinikile
appear not to be satisfactory.
kuba ngathi lezo impendulo
Let's
azenelisi.
close with prayer.
Siyavala ngomkhuleko.
Holy God,
uNkulunkulu
we
ongcwele,
thank you that we're in a movement that can talk about these issues,
siyabonga ukuthi sikuyi-movement ekhona ukukhuluma ngalezo zinto,
that we're not shut down
ukuthi asizivalelanga
and that we're not silenced.
nokuthi futhi asithulanga.
I want to ask and pray that you would bless and direct our thoughts
Ngiyacela ukuthi uhole imicabango yethu
and that we would find joy in communing with one another and with you.
ukuze sithole injabulo ekumaneni
In
nabanye
Jesus'
nawe
name.
egameni kaJesu. Amen.
If you please don't all move,
Uma sonke nje singanganyakaza